you can see these animals kind of poking their head up, taking a look at us over here as we take a look at them over there. Again, these are Steller sea lions. Sometimes they'll wake up, bite their neighbor, some will start growling at the other one. That is the sound they make, they growl rather than bark. Again, the ones that bark, those are the California sea lions that every now and then show up in our area, but it's pretty rare. Most of the animals we see here are the Steller sea lion. Named after another naturalist, George Steller.
I don't know.
These look like mainly juveniles and females. And that's kind of what I would expect this time of the season. Remember, the big breeding males are already out on Chisel Island. These sea lions look pretty comfortable. Snoozing, enjoying the afternoon. Maybe surprise pretty soon. Off the rock, back into